Hi, my name is Tyler, and I just recently graduated from the Kitchen Table's Growth Challenge series, parts 1, 2, and 3. Before I get started with my story, I figured I would invite you to Growth Challenge 1. It'll be the first one of the year, January 15th, 16th, and 17th. There are still about 10 spots available, and I'd encourage you to sign up as soon as possible. So Growth Challenge 1 is a 2.5-day seminar, and I like to think of it as an opportunity. We all read self-help books. They're great. But the problem with self-help books, as I am a fanatic for those, is that you have to practice them. You have to put them into play. And as a CrossFit coach, right, I constantly preach to people the value of repetitions, the value of practice, the value of refining things. So Growth Challenge is an opportunity to play in the sandbox, so to speak, to play in the lab, to have some opportunity to bounce things off of other people, learn some new communication techniques, so that way when I get out into the real world, I can show up as my authentic self. I'm now happy to report that I'm going down a path where I'm playing 100% for myself, God, and others. And so if you want an opportunity to get back to what really matters and serve yourself, God, and others, then I invite you to take the challenge, sign up for Growth Challenge 1, and we will see you January 15th, 16th, and 17th.